Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 Pro Limited Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the sun icon. And this is the screen brightness icon. And if you want to adjust the brightness, you need to tap on this icon. You need to disable the auto brightness by tapping on this A icon. Come on, like this. And once the auto brightness is enabled, you can adjust it to your liking, and then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. If you leave the auto brightness enabled and you adjust the brightness, it basically will set the brightness automatically after a minute or two. So your change will be basically nullified. So if you want the brightness to stay at the level you set it to, you need to disable the auto brightness. Another way to change the brightness is to do it through settings. So if you're on the home screen, you can press the crown button to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, tap on it. Here find the display option, select it, tap on brightness, and we can adjust the brightness, of course, if you disable the auto brightness first. And then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And last way to change the brightness on your watch is to do it through the phone application, if your watch is paired with a phone. So I'm gonna move this to the side, bring our phone right here, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, of course, we need to open the Zap application. This is the app we use to pair the devices together. So open the Zap, and here find the profile icon, tap on it, select your AMAZFIT GTR 3 Pro from the list of devices. On this page, find the option called device settings and select it. And here we have display and brightness, tap on it. If the auto brightness is enabled, you need to disable it, and then you can adjust the brightness to your liking by swiping on the slider. And once you're done, you can close the app, and that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.